Hello, everyone. Today, we will embark on an extremely interesting journey of discovery together. Have you ever been curious about how to grow kiwi? This beautiful, small but nutritious fruit. From New Zealand's vast kiwi fields to state-of-the-art processing plants, I'll reveal to you all the secrets behind the process. Watch until the end of the video so you don't miss any moment, because there will definitely be things you never knew about kiwi. Start with the first steps. For plants to grow well, soil is always the top priority. Kiwis need to be planted in well-drained soil because kiwi plants are very sensitive to waterlogging. Soil pH is a factor that cannot be ignored. Ideal soil for kiwis should have a pH between 5.5 and 7.5. Kiwi is a plant that needs lots of sunlight and grows best in warm climates. In particular, kiwi is a climbing plant that needs support to grow. Workers need to build sturdy trusses, usually made from concrete or wooden pillars with steel wires stretched across. The distance between pillars should be 4 to 5 meters. The height of the truss is from 1.8 to 2.5 meters for easy care and harvesting. Once the soil is ready, it's time to plant the kiwi tree. Kiwi trees are often propagated from grafted branches onto healthy rootstock to ensure the best growth. When planting, space the plants at least 10 feet, as kiwis need ample space to grow. Caring for kiwis does not stop at planting, but also requires attention to watering and fertilizing. Kiwi plants need a steady amount of water, especially during the growing and fruiting stages. In addition, proper fertilization also plays an important role. Use a balanced fertilizer that contains all three main ingredients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients help the tree grow strongly and produce sweet kiwi fruits. Did you know that pruning is an important part of kiwi plant care? When winter comes, kiwi plants enter a dormant stage. This is the ideal time for pruning. You need to remove old, weak, and diseased branches so the tree can focus nutrients on the stronger parts. Pruning not only helps plants grow better, but also helps control the shape of the plant, facilitating better light and air circulation in the garden. The time from planting to flowering of kiwi trees usually takes about 3 years. Did you know the kiwi plant has separate male and female flowers? And guess who's playing Cupid here? That's right, it's the bees. These tiny bees play an important role in the pollination process, ensuring that the female flowers turn into the delicious kiwis we all love. It is truly fascinating to see nature and agriculture go hand in hand. Without these busy bees, there would be no kiwis at all. And now, we have come to the part everyone has been waiting for: the kiwi harvest. Each kiwi is picked by hand. This careful process ensures that the fruit is not damaged and that only the ripest, best quality kiwis are selected. It's all about precision and care, and trust me, these farmers are experts. In 2023, New Zealand's kiwi industry faces a challenging season due to adverse weather conditions, leading to a significant reduction in production. New Zealand kiwi fruit production in 2023 is estimated to be about 480,000 tons. On average, one worker can harvest about 100-300 kilo of kiwi per day. Imagine picking nearly 500,000 tons of kiwis in just one season. That's the dedication we're talking about here. So please always respect these farmers. After being harvested, kiwi fruits will be quickly transported to the factory to continue the processing process. And now let's take a look at some cutting-edge technology. This is not just an ordinary sorting line. These machines are capable of inspecting and sorting up to 100,000 kiwis per day. They use advanced sensors to check size, ripeness, and any imperfections, ensuring that only the tastiest kiwis make it to your table. After being carefully packaged, kiwis will be stored in cold storage or specialized containers before being transported to supermarkets and markets around the world. And that's it. Your journey from farm to table is complete. In addition to delicious fresh kiwis, I believe you will also be a fan of kiwi juice, right? Next, let's learn about the kiwi juice production process at a factory. Kiwi juice, with its unique flavor and refreshing color, is not only a great refreshing drink, but also a rich source of nutrition. Did you know that kiwi juice is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, helping to strengthen the immune system, support digestion, and beautify the skin? This type of juice is not only an ideal choice for quenching thirst, but also brings many health benefits when used regularly. So together, we have explored from A to Z how to grow, harvest, and process kiwi. It's wonderful to know that every kiwi fruit we enjoy goes through such a long and elaborate process, isn't it? If you find this video useful and interesting, don't forget to press the like button, share with friends and family, and especially subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Thank you for following, and see you in the next explorations.